What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. What we're doing today, we're actually taking the leaf springs off Rango. So hopefully we get far enough into this. Like I said, it's a little late in the day, but tomorrow we got a full day to work on everything, so we will get a nice long video for tomorrow. But right now, what we got the leaf springs. The other side is the bad side. This is the good side. I'm doing the good side first because the other side is too low to the ground, and the way it's just wherever it's happening, this side wants to raise up more. So we're gonna put this side on first so that we can let this side go down, and then go to that side and then push that side up more so that we can have space to let the new spring make more room to go down for the tire, blah blah blah, and all that good stuff. So you guys see what we're talking about when we get there. But for now, I'm gonna get these bolts off, these nuts off, and nut and bolt over there, and then we can drop this down, put the new one on, and we're good to go. One bolt fully out. Number 2 bolt coming out soon. If you guys ever gotta get something out and the bolt's like stuck like this and it's stuck there like this, put a little pressure like this, use this for leverage, pull it, and just ratchet it out. Works sometimes, sometimes it doesn't. No, it's all about leverage. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Next step is these bolts right up here, which I already took off one on the other side and it came up pretty easy, so this side should do the same with Mr. We got the inside one there. Oh, that's the other hanger. That's that hanger bolt, and then right here. That's the other side of it. So now we gotta do is, I guess, lower this down. I guess because I guess let it come down, I guess, right? Alright, I guess I'm gonna hit these out of the hangers, I guess. First one. Oh, I just bent my thing here. There you go, fix that. First, I didn't think you guys can see at all. I was like, come on. Alright, so that looks like a good spot for you guys to look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Mr. Park Tire right here. Right in between there. And push this thing down. Oh god. There we go. Haha. That's one side down. I heard something falling. I was like, great. It's falling. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, yep. That's it. Oh, okay. There's our spring. Maybe do some forging with this. You know, put all those, what are those, that forge of fire. They use leaf spring to forge other knives. So maybe make some knives out of this, maybe. Who knows? Alright, so I see, guys, we got this one out here. Actually, I'm gonna go yabba do it. I just took a thumbnail, so that's why it's back here after I yabba do it the first time. But yeah, so let's get the other one in. And then I'm gonna go on to the other side, get the other one done real quick. Really not too bad of a job actually to do. Really not too bad. So I'm gonna guess, going by the spring length and the way the other one looked, the shorter side goes towards the front and the longer side goes towards the back. I'll go with that logic. Go with it. Looks like it's gonna work. It's not too heavy. It's not too heavy, but it is it's a little heavy. Alright, no way of how I discovered how to do this is shove this up first because it's actually more pain in the ass to get off. Hopefully I'm gonna find out how I'm gonna get this to line up straight and stuff. Hopefully I'll find out in a second, but yeah, so at least I think, because this is not gonna go in easy, so, and this is all sprung up from the other side, so I might just have to drop the other side to make this a little easier, and then we can line the diff that way. So I might have to drop the other side to make it easier anyway. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this all loose until I get it all finished, all settled, all said and done. I feel like that'd be a smart thing to do. Alright, we're gonna take up the other side, let this kind of like fall down a little bit. I feel like that'd be the easiest way to get this all to like come apart nice and easily and not fighting everything too much. Alright, so I'm gonna try to save the battery on the GoPro, but I'm basically gonna do the same exact thing. Just take off those two bolts there, all these bolts here, let that thing fall off, and good to go on that part. Make sure you have a jack underneath that and put some maybe ponies underneath here. Don't do as I do. Just be safe about it. Don't make your drive shaft pull out, or it's just because your drive shaft can pull right out if you let this thing just come backwards. So be careful. Don't do anything stupid. Alright guys, so listen, it is freaking 10:30 Sunday night. I gotta get this video edited, processed, downloaded in the next hour and a half. So I don't know how much footage I got upload, which I know is going on for a little bit, so who knows, I don't know how much it is there. But listen, tomorrow we have a full day of doing all this stuff. We got Rango, we got some semi Mr. PD over there. We got a few things tomorrow, so we got a full day just to work on everything, and hopefully everything just goes well. So listen guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Comment below any advice you can have, best advice you can ever give somebody. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes for our dreams. Don't let them get in your way. And I'll see you guys in the next one.